Raw earth is the most ancient material of construction, and it's still part of third world building processes. The African populations keep employing it for brickwork and plastering. Rice, on the other hand, is the main food resource for more than half of the world's population. Rice cultivation produces a large amount of natural waste. Inspired by the potter wasp, the company envisions the 3D printing technology as a way to give new form to local raw material. This approach allows achieving on-site constructions with low environmental impact. The combination of earth and rice gave birth to Gaia. Thanks to 3D printing, the process allows to minimize the amount of concrete in foundations, still complying with construction standards. By using parametric software, complex woven paths can be designed inside the walls with the aim of embedding energy supply, thermal insulation and natural ventilation. Doors and windows have been realized by locally controlling the deposition and inserting timber lintels between layers. The 3D printing process took 100 hours for an overall amount of 9 cubic meters and 22 kilometers of extrusion. Thanks to the mixes provided by Rice House, WASP has employed rice also for thermal screeds and bioplasters. Certified to be at the highest energy class, the project offers an innovative solution and represents a significant achievement in the field of green building. The combination of additive technologies and natural materials makes Gaia a new eco-sustainable architectural model, ready to be exported at low cost all over the world.